everybody, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, I have my new to me 1/6 scale RocHobby RC. Down in the description, I'll link in this video this Jeep right here, and also all the wheels, all the tires that are in this video. I will put that down in the description, all the links for all that. So check that down below. And definitely feel free to leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this video, and also what vehicle you have, what RC vehicle you may have, what you would like, what would you do differently, what do you prefer out of all these, and if this was helpful. And definitely give the video a thumbs up. Thank you for doing so. But anyway, these are the wheels and tires that come with the Jeep. They are about 4 3/8 inch tall, and they have foams in them, and they're very nice. They're NDTs, but they're just, I mean, they look like a military wheel, the two-piece wheels, but I'm not keeping this Jeep military. It's gonna get painted and make it look civilian and make it look like mine. The reason I'm doing this is there's plenty of RC channels that show what the different sizes are and how they compare, like a 1.9 versus a 2.2 and how they look side by side. But I haven't seen any on a RocHobby Willys Jeep and how they look on the actual Jeep itself. So that's what this video is for, to show you what it looks like on the actual vehicle. So I have these RC four-wheel drive 1.9s, which is the inside diameter here. And the total height is about 4.1 inches. I'll show you what they look like on this Jeep. I have these right here on the Jeep right now. They are Proline 1.9s, and they are 4.75 inches tall. You can see the difference right there. And you'll see more of these and the details later in the video in depth of how detailed they actually are and how they look. And these wheels are RC four-wheel drive Landy's 1.9 inch steel beadlock wheels, and they are powder coated white. They're very nice, very nice looking old Jeep style steel wheels. And then we also have the 2.2s, and they are humongous. I think they're like 5.5 inches tall, something like that. Maybe 5 3/4, I forget what they were exactly, but they are axial KR2s, Baja TAs, a little bit different tread, but about the same sidewall as the KM3s, but not nearly. Axial doesn't have as much detail as Proline or RC four-wheel drive. And the wheels are actually hot racing steel wheels, and they are unfinished. You can paint them or you can let them go so they rust and kind of have that old cool vintage look. And they do come with some red center caps. You'll see them later in the video. But as you can see, it has the two-piece beadlock and a little faux valve stem, which is pretty cool. The 2.2s are the biggest of all of them. So let's get into it, and I'll show you how they look and how they compare on the Jeep. So here are the RC four-wheel drive 1.9 Landys. They are on the Proline BF Goodrich. They're 4.75 by 1 3/4 wide, a little over 1 3/4 wide. They're a little fatter and a little beefier than I kind of was looking for on this old Jeep, but it fits the scale nicely. And again, these are 1.9s on Proline BF Goodrich mud trains. And I don't know if you guys have seen these in person, but they are super detailed, even down to the warning labels. And there is a tire pressure designation on them, a warning label there, made in the USA. Super detailed. Now, these are the 1.9s, 4 3/4 inch tall, and they look about right. These are the same wheels, the RC four-wheel drive 1.9 Landys, on RC four-wheel drive BF Goodrich mud trains. And they too are very detailed, different company. Those were Prolines, these are RC four-wheel drive. Very nice tires, very nice tread blocks. I actually like the style of these even more than I like those. These are actually a little more detailed. Problem is, this is a 1/6 scale Jeep. It's just they're a little too small, as you can see. Let me see myself in the window back here. And I got my little buddy right here helping me. They're a little too small, aren't they, buddy? Yeah, they look good on probably a 10th scale. You got my stuff from SCX 24, stock wheels and tires. These would fit good on probably a 1/10 scale. This is a 1/6 scale Jeep. I really was hoping these would look a little better just because they're very detailed and they're really nice. Both sets of tires come with foams and everything, and the wheels come with the internal ring and the outside beadlock, inside and outside of the wheel, two-piece wheel. So there you go. It looks a little it looks a little too small compared to this side right here, as you can see. So it looks a little more proportionate. Now, let's move on to the 2.2s I have for it right here, and I'm gonna put them on right now. And here are the 2.2s on the Jeep. These are let me show you here. I'll put all the stuff I used in this whole video down in the description of this video. But the wheels are Hot Racing right here. And they are a beadlock, and they come unpainted. They're just raw steel, so they're actually designed to like rust and weather with your vehicle. And I think that looks pretty cool with the 2.2s, but they're a little too big for this Jeep. As you can see here, it actually does rub pretty good. And I did trim the front bumper a little bit to clear these tires. These are axial, oh, sorry, I'll get back to this. The wheels are Hot Racing, and here is the model number. And the tires are axial AX31325. KR2 Baja TA tires. They're pretty cool, but not near as detailed as the other ones I have. It just looks completely different compared to the 1.9s previously here. They're a good bit bigger. And it just depends what look you're going for. It's kind of nice to have both of them because I can kind of go back and forth look I'm going for, but I kind of like the vintagey look, especially since I'm going to paint this to kind of either match my Jeeps or paint it a different color to make it look civilian. But this is kind of the cooler look that I'm going for. But the neat thing of this is it just completely makes it look like, I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down in the comment section. Which wheels and tires you like the best? Definitely make it look a lot different. Pretty cool. Even got some decals on the side there. But also, what do you guys think I should paint it? I'm thinking I'm going to paint it a different color. I'm not really sure what yet, but we're going to paint it all up and make it look a little less army type.